Hey, it's Yori at Vivid Racing. Here's my 2008 C6 Corvette. I've had this car for over a year. It's been great. I love it. How it drives, perfect. But it's time to add some pizzazz. You guys saw the unboxing of the Alpharex taillights. Before we install them, let's see how the stock ones look.
Ooh, what is that?
This is Alpharex Pro-Series taillights. It's really nice.
Fancy little box.
These are LED, so it will increase the visibility, and it's so nice.
Wow, these are pretty nice.
Yeah.
They're gonna look good on your car. I'm kind of jealous.
Time for you to get a C6 Corvette.
I know, I need to upgrade my car. So what do you think about these taillights? I mean, they look pretty sick.
It's really, really nice. And these are probably the most easiest modification on your Corvette. So let's just install them on my car and see how they look.
Cool, let's do it. So we're about to install them. What do we got in the box?
So before we, jump right in, I just wanted to quickly show you. This is what make your taillights look like do-do-do-do. You know what I'm saying? Do-do-do-do. And in order to secure these, usually you use the double-side tape, but they gave us the self-tappers.
Yep.
So we're going to use this today.
They look super nice.
Super nice.
Yeah, look at that.
I really like the black,
wow. That looks so good. Especially at nighttime. I can't wait to go get footage.
Oh, yeah.
So what are we going to need? What kind of tools?
Well, for this, we need T15 bit to unscrew these screws for the factory taillights.
Gotcha.
And power tool to...
the self-tappers. She can't tell between left and right.
Yeah, hold on. This...
So yeah, little self-tappers.
Yep.
Not sure if you guys can see them. So it's just one on each one?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
So it's really, really easy, and as you can see, got the bolt out. We're gonna reuse this, so don't lose them. Here we go. And we just unscrew this.
Wow, that's pretty easy, huh?
That is really easy.
Yep.
Should.
Just comes out pretty easy.
It's really, really easy. Okay.
Alright, so we got the light bulb out.
Yep, out. And this goes where the light bulb usually go in, like that. So I got two self taps. I think I want to mount it right here.
Wow.
Wow. So it clips right in.
Just those two connectors?
Yep.
And then that one goes
We already connected this one, so it just goes back in. And we just
slide it back in?
Yep.
Oh, make sure you don't lose that one.
Make sure you don't lose this. Can't really see this tab, so you kind of have to line it up first and just... Perfect.
Wow.
Nice.
That looks so sick.
A little bit better, but
Yeah, no, that looks sick though.
That looks really nice.
There's such a big difference too.
Yeah. We just finished installed this one. We're gonna put the right side and we're gonna compare the stock one and the aftermarket. So I forgot to mention this button, O means sequential off and I mean sequential on. We installed the Alpharex taillights on the right side and we still have the stock ones on the left side. We're gonna turn the car on and see what they look like side by side. If you're still watching, there is a 10% off promo code in the description, so go check them out. Now that you guys seen the installation, I think these jet black Alpharex taillights are so cool. It only took like 15 minutes to install all four of them, and I really like the halo sequential look of this car, and it just makes the rear end of this car 10 times better. So let's go take it out and do some cool stuff.